front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. I got a lot of comments about adding audio or a video file to text message using default messages app on this SONY. So I tested it and now I'll show you exactly how to do it. Firstly, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to add a video file, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and either switch from photo to video to record it and automatically add it to your message after you finish, or pick one of those videos, tap on the chosen one, and it will be automatically added as well. If you can't find your video here, you can scroll, look for it here, and if you still can't find it, hit folders at the bottom left corner to look for it here. Then tap on it to attach it, and this time hit done at the bottom right corner twice. To record audio and send it right away, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Record your message using this microphone and then hit attach. If you want to pick already existing audio file, don't worry, I got you. That's actually the most complicating thing to do over here, because after tapping on this plus at the bottom left corner, you need to hit files. And over here, many people get lost. You see, to find your audio file, you can access one of those apps, or hit audio at the top to look for it here. But if you still can't find it, you need to tap on those three lines at the top left corner and look for it in all of those sections. Either way, when you find it, tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!